Okay, let us start. What is the value of u and v? Calculate की है किसी ने? Here u is 1 over x plus y, v is 1 over x minus y. यही suppose किया था उस दिन हमने. So what is the value of u and v? Yes, Lavanya. Wait, Lavanya. Yes, you can unmute yourself now.
Ma'am, u is 1 over 12.
And v is
1 over 4.
1 over 4. So here again we have to solve this. U is 1 over 12. It means x plus y is equal to 12 and x minus y is equal to 4. Now solve this to find the value of x and y. So x is equal to 8 and y is equal to, if x is 8, y is equal to 4. 8 plus y is equal to 12. So y is equal to 4. तो इसमें चेक कर लो हमने क्या सपोज किया था. x speed of current speed of boat in still water is x, which is 8 km per hour, and speed of current is equal to 4 km per hour. Yes, Drig.
मैम आंसर देने के लिए किया था.
ओके, ठीक है. Now first we will do question number 23, 24, 25 and 26. Group C के B के question है. Then we will discuss the 32nd and 33rd question जो Drig ने अभी problems पूछी हैं. और किसी को कोई doubt in homework questions? So now next question number 23rd is, 23rd question is, for what value of k the following pair of linear equations have an infinite number of solutions? First equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 2, and the second equation is k plus 2x 2k plus 1y is equal to 2k minus 1. हमें value of k find out करनी है, for which the system of equations has infinite many solutions. So for infinite many solution, what we have the condition a1 over a2 is equal to b1 over b2 is equal to c1 over c2. You have to write, since the system of equation has infinite many solutions, therefore a1 over a2 is equal to b1 over b2 equal to c1 over c2. Now what is the value of a1? It is 2 over k plus 2. b1 is 3 over 2k plus 1. c1 is 2 over 2k minus 1. Now you can find the value of k either from the first two or from the last two. If we solve the first two equations, first two one, it is, दोनों तरह solve कर लेते हैं. 2k plus 1 is equal to 3k plus 2, and अगर हम last two से solve करेंगे, it is 6k minus 1 and 2k plus 1. Solve करो इसको. 4k plus 2 is equal to 3k plus 6. So k is equal to 4. From here it is 6k minus 6 is equal to 4k plus 2. 2k is equal to 8 or k is equal to 4. So you can solve any from either from first two or from second two. You can find the value of k. So value of k is equal to 2. So for k equal to 4, for k is equal to 4, the system of equations has infinitely many solutions. Now next question is, find the value of k for which the equations has no solution. No solution means a1 is equal to b1 over b2 but not equal to c1 over c2. So the equations are, question number 24, x plus 2y is equal to 3, and second one is k minus 1x, k plus 1y is equal to k plus 2. हमें k की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. Since given equations has no solution, Therefore, A1 over A2 is equal to B1 over B2 but not equal to C1 over C2. A1 is 1, A2 is K minus 1. 2 over K plus 1. This is not equal to 3 over K plus 2. इन दोनों को solve करके we can find the value of K. K plus 1 is equal to 2K minus 2 और minus K is equal to minus 3 और K is equal to 3. So for K is equal to 3, the given equations has no solution. Note down this question. Next, 25th question. Question number 25. Question is, find whether the given the lines representing the following pair of linear equation intersect, parallel or coincident. Equations are 3 by 2x, 5 by 3y is equal to 7, 3 by 2x plus 2 by 3y is equal to 6. Do this question yourself, question number 25, and tell me which type of line are represented by these two equations. Yes, Mahakmeet.
Ma'am, they represent, ma'am, intersect, ma'am, these equations intersect at a point because A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2.
Okay, A1 over A2 की वैल्यू 1 आ जाएगी, B1 over B2 की वैल्यू आपके पास 5 by 2 आएगी, C1 over C2 की वैल्यू 7 by 6. Here A1 over A2 is not equal to B1 over B2, so equations represent the intersecting lines. The graph of equation will be intersecting lines. So now next is next easier question. We can skip that question. The statement of question is आगे बहुत बार इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस किए हुए हैं. The sum of two numbers is 75 and difference is 15. You can do this question easily. Sum x plus y equal to 75 and x minus y equal to 15. Right? So now next group C के जो questions थे आपको 27 से 33 homework questions दिए थे. Now only one student asked the doubt from question number 32 and 33. So first we will discuss question number 32. 32 question is the sum of digit. So for that we have to suppose let digit at ones place. Ones place is equal to x and tens place is equal to y. So number is 10y plus x. Also the new number when we interchange the digits. पहले numbers बना के रख लेते हैं, then we form the equation. New number is 10x plus y. When we interchanging the digits. So here the question is the sum of two-digit number and the number formed by interchanging the digits is 110. वो कह रहे हैं कि इन दोनों numbers का जो sum है वो किसके equal है 110 के. 10 by x plus 10x 11x plus 11y is equal to 110 और x plus y is equal to 10. अगर 11 कॉमन ले लेंगे दूसरी साइड जाके कैंसिल हो जाएगा. So first equation is x plus y is equal to 10. We will frame only equation. Rest of the part you will do yourself. अगर आपने किया हुआ you can check your answers. Next is if 10 is subtracted from the first number. First number हमारे पास ये है. अगर इस नंबर में से हम 10 subtract कर देते हैं, if 10 is subtracted from the first number, the new number is, जो नया number है, the new number is, अब अगर हम 10 इसमें से subtract कर देते हैं, तो जो नया number बन गया ये वाला, the new number is 4 more than 4 more means 4 plus 4 more than 5 times the sum of the digits of the first number. तो कह रहे जब हम 10 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे तो हमारे पास ये एक नया नंबर और बन जाएगा जो ये नया नंबर बनेगा वो 4 मोर होगा, 4 मोर देन प्लस 5 टाइम्स the sum of the digits of the first number. First number के digits क्या थे? X plus y. So 4 more means plus 5 times the sum of the digits of the first number. So from here you can find the second equation. 10y plus x minus 10 is equal to 4 plus 5x plus 5y. अगर हम एक साइड शिफ्ट कर दें इसको, 10y plus x minus 10 minus 4 minus 5x minus 5y is equal to 0. X minus 4 is minus 4x. 10y minus 5y is plus 5y. And minus 10 minus 4 is minus 14. दूसरी साइड जाके बन जाएगा plus 14. Yes, Rick. Rick, raise your hand. Equations are clear?
मैम लास्ट इक्वेशन आपने कैसे बना दी?
उसमें है if
No,
10 is subtracted from the first number. ये हमारे
आप-
पास first number है.
यस मैम, ये आपने बना तो दी, लाइक वो जो आपने राइट साइड पे फर्स्ट इक्वेशन है 10y plus x minus 10 is equals to 4 plus 5 into x plus y.
हाँ.
यहाँ से हम सीधा x plus y की वैल्यू डाल सकते हैं जैसे
X
हमने
plus y
यहाँ
की
से
वैल्यू
निकाली,
यहाँ पे आप 10 लिख दोगे,
उसके बाद हम
फिर से इक्वेशन बन जाएगी. सॉल्व तो फिर भी इक्वेशंस करनी पड़ेंगी आपको.
सिंप्लीफाई हो जाएगी 10y plus x is equals
33rd question. Question number 33rd. It is 2 years ago. हमें present age find out करनी है father and son की. So first we suppose let a present age of father is equal to x and son is equal to y. Now 2 years ago. 2 years ago. Father की age कितनी हो जाएगी? x minus 2 और son की age कितनी हो जाएगी? Father is x minus 2 and son is y minus 2. Condition क्या है? 2 years ago, father was 5 times as old as his son. Father is 5 times as old as his son. From here you can find the first equation. It will become x minus 5y minus 2 and equal to minus 10. So ये आ जाएगा x minus 5y plus 8 is equal to 0. This is your first equation. And the second one is 2 years later. 2 years later. Father की एज कितनी हो जाएगी? x plus 2. Son की एज कितनी हो जाएगी? y plus 2. तो कंडीशन क्या है इसमें? 2 years later, his age, father's age is 8 years more than 3 times the son's age. 2 years later, father's age is 8 years more than 3 times the son's age. From here you can find the second equation. So x minus 3y plus 2 is equal to 14. So x minus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0. This is your second equation. Yes, Drake, clear hai? Wait, Drake. Yes.
yes ma'am.
Okay. Now you can solve the equations and find the solution. Okay, now before next question, wait. A man sold a chair. Group C के आपके 34 to 37 4 questions are remaining. Again, I will give these questions in homework today. ताकि group C के आपके सारे question एक ही जगह homework notebook पे हों. Now group D questions. Question number 38. और यहाँ assignment के question जिस जगह भी कर रहे हो continuation में वहीं पे करना सारे questions. Question number 38 is a man sold a chair and a table together for rupees 1520, thereby making a profit of 25% on the chair and 10% on the table. Again, selling together by 1535, he would have make a profit of 10% on a chair, 25% on the table. Find the cost price of each. First, we will suppose that cost price of chair is equal to rupees X and cost price of table is equal to rupees Y. ठीक, अब क्वेश्चन है मैन सोल्ड अ चेयर एंड अ टेबल फॉर रुपीज 1520, दोनों को इकट्ठा उसने 1520 का सोल्ड किया है, देयर बाय मेकिंग अ प्रॉफिट ऑफ 25% ऑन द चेयर. 25% इस पे प्रॉफिट हुआ है उसको एंड टेबल पे कितना प्रॉफिट हुआ है 10%. तो पहले हम फाइंड आउट कर लेंगे सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ चेयर x plus 25% of x कितना आ जाएगा, और यू कैन राइट x plus 25% of x, क्योंकि उसको चेयर बेचने पे कितना प्रॉफिट हुआ 25%, तो वो उसकी टोटल सीपी आएगी x plus 25 over 100x, ये कटिंग करके 4 आ जाएगा, सो 5x over 4. सेकेंड एसपी ऑफ टेबल, टेबल पे उसको कितना प्रॉफिट हुआ है 10% प्रॉफिट, तो y plus 10% of y, ये कितना आ जाएगा y plus 10 over 100y, so it is 11y over 10. और दोनों टोटल का सेलिंग प्राइस कितना है is equal to 1520. Any doubt up to here? See the equations. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay, no one. So now the second is Mehak. Anji Mehak.
मैम ये दोबारा समझा दो एक बार.
ओके इसमें क्वेश्चन क्या था कि वन पर्सन सोल्ड अ चेयर एंड अ टेबल, हमें उन दोनों की सीपी फाइंड आउट करनी है. हमने सपोज कर लिया कि चेयर की सीपी एक्स है और टेबल की वाई. अब वो जब चेयर को सोल्ड कर रहा है तो उसको 25% प्रॉफिट हो रहा है, तो वो उसका सेलिंग प्राइस कितना हो जाएगा, जितना उसकी कॉस्ट प्राइस थी प्लस जितना उसको प्रॉफिट हुआ 25% वो उसका सेलिंग प्राइस हो जाएगा. तो सेलिंग प्राइस कितना आ गया चेयर का 5x over 4 व्हेन यू सिंप्लीफाई इट. सिमिलरली टेबल के लिए उसको कितना प्रॉफिट हुआ है 10% का, खुद उसने इतने का लिया था, 10% प्रॉफिट पे उसको बेच दिया, तो टोटल उसका सेलिंग प्राइस आ गया टेबल का, तो वो कितना आ गया 11y over 10. क्लियर. अब इससे और इन दोनों चीजों को टुगेदर दे सोल्ड बोथ द थिंग्स इन 1520. क्लियर महक. So now the second part of this is your first equation. Now the second part of the question is by selling them together for rupees 1535 he would have made a profit of 10% on a chair. Now next time chair पे कितना profit है 10%, पहले x अब 10% profit हुआ उसको chair पे, तो ये आ गया x plus 10 over 100x which is equal to 11x over 10 and 25% on the table. SP of table is y plus 25% of y, x plus 25 over 100y, ये कितना आ जाएगा 5y over 4. यहाँ से और दोनों उसने इकट्ठी कितने की बेची हैं चीजें 11x over 10 plus 5y over 4 is equal to 1535. This is your second equation. Now solve these equation and find the value of x and y. Solve this. Okay, now can anybody tell me the value of x and y? Yes, Drig.
मैम ये इक्वेशंस हम सॉल्व वैसे कर सकते हैं जैसे हमने एक पार्ट किया था 7th क्वेश्चन का. First add both the equations and subtract,
कर
then
सकते हो, कर
subtract
सकते हो.
both the equations.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल कर सकते हो वैसे.
तभी सिंपल नंबर्स आएंगे.
सिंपल नंबर सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हो. So you will write cost price of table or chair, X's chair. Chair is 600 rupees 600 and cost price of table is 700. Now next question. Next question is the area of rectangle get reduced by 80 square units if the length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 2 units. The area of rectangle get reduced by 80 square units if its length is reduced by 5 units and the breadth is increased by 2 units. And the breadth is increased by 2 units. If we increase, okay, first equation from these two statements, we first frame the first equation. Let length is equal to x. अभी क्वेश्चन मैंने पूरा नहीं लिखा. First we make the first equation, then second breadth is y and area is x into y. So first is area of rectangle is reduced by 80 square units. Area कितना reduce होगा? 80. If length is reduced by 5 means x minus 5 and breadth is increased by u means y plus 2. Area is x into y. So if length is reduced by 5, breadth is increased by 2, area is reduced by 8. So when you simplify it, xy plus 2x minus 5y minus 10 is equal to xy minus 8. xy cancel हो जाएंगे. 2x minus 5y minus 2 is equal to 0. This is your first equation. Now the next statement is, if we increase the length by 10 units, if we increase the length by 10 units and decrease the breadth by 5 units and decrease the breadth by 5 units, the area increased by 50. The area increased by 50 square units. Find the length and breadth of rectangle. Find the length and breadth. So this is the first equation. Now the second is, if we increase the length by 10 means x plus 10, decrease the breadth by 5 means y minus 5. The area is increased by 50 means which is equal to xy plus 50. Now here we can solve xy minus 5x plus 10y minus 50 is equal to xy plus 50. xy cancel हो जाएंगे. Minus 5x plus 10y minus 100 is equal to 0. This is your second equation. Yes, Lavanya and Rick. Just a minute. In first equation, area is reduced by 80. मैंने 8 लिख दिया. Here it is 80, 80. तो ये आ जाएगा आपका plus 70. Make this correction in first equation. So these are the two equations where you can, from where you can find the value of x and y. Solve these equations. Now you have to solve this equation yourself.